Model, 2001 Volkswagen Transporter 800 Special 1.9 Tdi camper conversion needs repair. Body, blue, camper. Mileage, 217,844. MOT, the 2nd of June 2026. Engine, 1896 cc it.Genuine ZDP. Transmission, 5-speed manual. Mechanical summary, starts great. Runs great. Headgasket needs replacing, coolant is pressurising. Condition summary, bodywork is very clean and presentable. Interior is very clean and has plenty life left in it. Rear load area is very clean and tidy with loads of life left in it. Genuine honest work van which has been well looked after. Features, part service history, windy windows, solar